Hello everyone, Quickle Pickle here. Today I'm doing my video on the most evil deity in Egyptian mythology. Today I'm doing my video on Apophis. Oh, and before we get started, I just want to say I'm really sorry for not posting recently. My family's been over, so I've been spending time with them. But with all that said, let's get started. Apophis, rather than being a god, is the immortal spirit of evil, death, and chaos. Apophis was depicted as a massive snake that would attack Ra and the solar barge every single night. Ra and Apophis were arch enemies and were opposites. Ra was a god of order, whereas Apophis was a spirit of chaos. Apophis's power was equal to that of Ra's. Apophis and Ra were both born out of the Sea of Chaos, however Apophis is slightly older. Apophis was a danger to all the gods, but specifically Ra. Every night Apophis attacked the solar barge and left all the gods defenseless. They were stunned. Except one. Set was not paralyzed by Apophis. Set was able to stab Apophis with his spear. However, Apophis was not defeated. It took an army of gods, minor and major, and the spirits of the dead Egyptians to destroy him, led by the eyes of Ra, Bast, and Sekhmet. Ra dealt the final blow by transforming into a cat and decapitating the head of the Serpent of Chaos. Set was very similar to Apophis. However, Set could be reasoned with, when Apophis could not be. Apophis was a force of total destruction with no remorse. During the Amarna period, Apophis was not a forbidden deity, and was still acknowledged, along with Aten. Apophis was never worshipped, only feared and loathed. In fact, every year priests of Ra would perform a ceremony called Banishing Apophis. This included decapitating a statue called a Shopti of Apophis and burning a papyrus that bared the image of Apophis. Thanks for watching. Check out Crafty Cabbage, who makes cool DIY videos. Check out my website, quicklepickle.weebly.com. Check out Quickle Tech, my second YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time on Quickle Pickle. Goodbye!